Today, I'm going to show you a strategy that is built on proven indicators, not guesswork. So I've already analyzed the currency pairs and I've chosen the ones that have the best payout percentages and the best setups. So this is not just theory, but we're actually going to dive into exactly how these indicators work to deliver best entry points and also consistent profits. This is going to be a very value-packed video. Stick around to the end because you don't want to miss a second. So guys, we are on the charts today, as you can see, and just like I mentioned, I've already selected a couple of assets that you see above. Those are the ones that have the best payout percentages and also the best the best setups. And these are the indicators we're using today. We have our moving average with a period of 15, our fractal with a period of 5, and we also have a momentum oscillator with a period of 15 as well. I'm really going to trade in the trend for most of the trades. I'll try not to do counter trade because that might be a bit too advanced. But for this strategy, I'm going to focus on trading the trend and trading on the 1 minute time frame. Let's start with $40, which is half of our balance. And okay, guys, so I saw a good entry here, and this is where we opened our first position. Now, I'm going to tell you exactly why I took a trade here. If it goes a bit higher, I think I'll open an additional trade. By the way, I'm pretty sure about this signal. But let's see. Right now, we're actually following the trend. As you can see, the market is going down, and there was a global high update, and then there was this kickback that happened, which formed another local high. So right now we should be expecting price to go further down. Even after we see the crossing of the weighted moving average, there should be a decent push downwards. That's why I entered this trade for a sell. So far it's looking good, even if it was a bit not as confident as I would have liked, but it's still decent. Yeah, we're getting the drop now, as you can see, guys. Perfect, guys. So the first trade closes in a profit. I love that. Yeah. And I hope you guys understand the strategy. Basically, I'm following the trend, and I enter the trade at the crossing of the weighted moving averages. The other indicators are helping me also to just properly analyze the charts. Like my fractals are helping me to see the highs and the lows that are being formed in the market, and also momentum oscillators helping me to figure out where the market is moving to and what energy it has to move where it's moving. So that's basically it, guys. It's not complicated at all. Sweet, guys. Okay, we just saw our second opportunity. So for here, I opened a buy. If we have further movement downwards, I might open an additional trade. Yeah. But let's go into why I actually took this trade. So guys, we can see the structural level over here. That's a very decent structural level, and price is sitting just on top of that right now, as we can see. And now price rejected there before, so we can always expect to reject it again. And after the intersection of the weighted moving average, I'm expecting a push up, and we also see a gradual change in the histogram. Guys, all the indicators are just telling us buy. Let's see how this plays out, guys. I think I might need to change. Okay. Oh, we closed our break even. Okay, guys, so I took the second trade, and I took this one on the downside because I didn't see the rejection I was expecting to see. So there is a chance that we may be breaking this support zone. Since we didn't get that bounce, you have to be very dynamic in the market, guys. If it didn't push past that this time, it means that it might be breaking it and we will be getting a further low in this level. I have to admit, like, the decision I'm taking here is a bit advanced and you might not understand it. Hopefully the other trades we'll take today will probably be able to explain this strategy, but I had to be dynamic in my trade entry.
If you want to trade like a pro, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now.
daily trading signals, winning strategies that actually work, live trading and profit breakdowns. Don't miss out on game-changing content that can make you serious money. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a trade. Okay guys, I'm opening another trade to the down. I'm still confident in my entry because we didn't see any push. Okay, I just opened another trade, guys. We didn't see a bounce, upward, which means that price is most likely gonna break this support zone. So I'm not even bothered at all. And if we even look closer, we can look at this push it made here, and it made a structural high over there. And there was another crossing of the weighted moving average to the downside after that, from top to bottom. We're definitely gonna get a down move here, guys. I'm certain of this. We're gonna get a down move here. In the market, you just have to be very dynamic, to be honest, and that's the only way you can really stay on top of your game. By the way, guys, I have a free Telegram group. I'm gonna leave the link in the description of this video. If you're just starting out trading and you don't know what to do, if you're already trading and you need extra help, you're not making profits, check out the link. I have good sauce for you. Sweet, guys. Okay, so just like I said, I was very confident this trade is going to end in a profit. Now we lost a couple of trades, unfortunately, but it's fine, guys. It's fine. The market plays around with us sometimes. Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some, but generally we're doing good, and the strategy is also doing good. If you apply proper risk management, you should be always in green, even if you might lose a little. So we're back, and let's get a couple of more trades, and I really want to show you the strength of this strategy, just so you properly understand what we're doing here. Okay, can I get another entry? If you're serious about making money from trading, stop watching and start taking action. Inside my exclusive Telegram channel, I drop high accuracy signals, pro trading tips, and real-time updates to help you win big. Don't trade alone. Trade smart with the best. Click the link below and join the winning team now. Okay, guys, so if you're following along, hopefully you understood why I took this trade for a sell. Let's select our work area, and then we'll talk more about it. So as you can see right now, price is gradually pushing down, like it's gradually in a downtrend. You can see the channel. Now there was a structural high formed over here, and over these zones as well, you can see a structural high, which is indicated by the fractal. After a crossing of the weighted moving average, we can expect a further down movement, and that's why I took this trade for a sell. Now the momentum oscillator is also gradually pushing down, as we can see. It's not as much as I would like, to be honest. The momentum oscillator is not giving us a very strong signal, but still, just by understanding the market dynamics and the chart, we're able to enter at a very good level, and now we're already in green, as you can see. So this one is also ending in a bullseye, baby. Sweet, perfect, guys. So this is a killer strategy. It works 8 out of 10 times. You're gonna be in the win. You just need to really focus to understand the strategy, guys. Let me see if I can get another currency pair, and then we'll take another trade, guys. Let's see if we can solidify our results. Come on, show me something, market. Okay, guys, so here we can see another interesting position, and I took a buy here, and this is one of the trades that we actually took against the trend, but it was a decent position, so I didn't want to miss it. So we see we had a very strong impulsive move downwards, and you can also see that the histogram is indicating that. Now after this retracement, we have a slight intersection of the weighted moving average from bottom to top. Now after we have this kind of strong impulsive move down, the chances of it going up is really high. That's what the market tends to do. It just repeats itself over and over again. After a very strong impulsive move, it kind of corrects itself and goes the opposite direction to kind of balance things. This is something we see in the markets all the time. So once I saw this intersection with the weighted moving average at a pullback like this is a very good zone to enter a trade. Okay, guys, we ended at break even. I'm taking another trade. The market be playing with me today. I don't know why. The market is just like trying to see if I know what I'm talking about or not. But I'm really positive in the strategy. I went full balance with this one, and I just opened an additional trade. Let's see how it plays out, guys. We should get a decent return. If this works out, it will be my last trade for today. If this works out, I'll just call it a day, and I will be satisfied with the results we made today. Sweet, guys. Do you see this push? Do you see the push? This is exactly what I'm talking about. And I'm also giving free signals in my Telegram group, so make sure you check the link in the description if you wanna, trade basically. Sweet, guys. I love to see green like this, man. Like, this excites me. It should excite you too. And this can be you if you focus on getting the strategy right. Amazing, guys. So our position closes in profit, and we're looking really decent. We're looking really decent. So these are the indicators that I used today, and I hope you understood the basic principle. We're working with the trend, and we're kind of get the intersection of the weighted moving average. I was just catching the trend when it's continuing to go. I mean, there were just very few times that I did against the trend in this particular situation, just because I saw a very interesting move happen, the impulse move. Anyways, let's go ahead to withdraw our profits for today. Sweet, guys. So we ended up with $179 in profit, guys. That's what we have in profit. I'm gonna leave the rest in my balance just so that I can keep on trading for later. But for today's session, we are pretty much good to go. Sweet, guys. So that was the strategy, guys. It's very simple. Feel free to watch the video again if you didn't understand anything. Feel free as well to hit me up on Telegram if you didn't understand anything, and make sure to like, subscribe if you like content like this and you want to see more trading tips, trading thoughts. I will give you everything, no gatekeeping. See you guys next time. Peace out.